Hey there, welcome back to SAP with Veena. So in this video, let's understand the concept of scheduling backend jobs for auto creation of the purchase order when we have a purchase requisition. So of course, we do have the option of executing auto PO on MA59N when there is a source already assigned on a purchase requisition. So we also have an option to schedule it in the backend so that system will automatically generate the purchase order. So to do that initially, and here as well, we need to keep in mind that the prerequisites that are required to auto generate a purchase order on MA59N with reference to a PR holds good for this also mean the auto PO indicator for a material must be activated in the purchase in view of material master, and it should be activated for the supplier purchasing data in the business partner, and for the combination of the supplier and material there should be valid info record existing as on that date. And of course the vendor whom you're going to use must be a part of the source list. So in continuation of the source determination aspect, I'm just going to execute auto PO through the backend jobs, and I'm going to demonstrate that. So for that, let's go into MA59N and create a variant over here. So I can use the vendor as well, but I don't want to make it so vendor specific. And I would want to create a variant with purchase org, plan details, all that. So here I'm going to click on save, and I need to name the variant. So I'll take it as, I'm giving it as PO auto, and description, I'll say just purchase order. I'll give same thing here also. Okay, and let me save this variant. Now I'll be going into SM36. So here we are going to define the backend jobs. So here I need to specify the job name. So I'll just give it as PO auto itself. And here I'm going to click on start condition. So here we can in fact schedule it over a particular time, or we can also make it as immediate. So I would want to demonstrate it immediately. So I'll pick it as immediate. Mean immediately it is going to execute, and I'll save this. Now click on the step. Here we need to specify the program name. So how will I know which ABAP program that I need to pick? So that's easy for you to find out. So on MA59N, here you can click on the drop down. So you have this program over here that is RM06BB30. You can as well find the same thing in the menu bar system. You can go into status and you can see the program name here as well. So it's one and the same. Now I'll go back to SN36. So here I'll specify my program name and the variant which I have created in the previous step, that's on MA59N, that I need to pick here. So this is the one which I had created. Now I'll click on save. Okay, so let me go back and save this. So it says job PO auto saved with status released. Okay, now let's go to purchase requisition creation screen and let's create a PR. So I'll just pick M1. So it's a generic PR what I'm creating over here. So I don't need to explain this. And source of supply, if you can check here, system has picked the fixed vendor from the source list because this particular supplier has been marked as a fixed vendor for that particular duration. And I'm going to save this. Now, I don't have to do anything on this purchase requisition. Otherwise, we would have gone to MA59N to generate a a purchase order with all the prerequisites intact on auto PO in MMR and supplier and the valid conditions being maintained in the info record. But here now, since I've activated immediate in the background job, system should have created my purchase order against this PR. So let me go back to my purchase requisition to check in the status. It's not yet created. Let's wait for a while. Okay, it should have got generated now. Let's have a look at it. So I'll go back to ME51N and pick my purchase requisition. The one which I created was 3308. So when I look at this, okay, now you can see that the system has automatically generated the purchase order through the background job what we have scheduled. So this is one way of using auto PO generation, wherein we have huge volume of purchase orders to be generated. So this is the right one. I mean, this is the convenient method that we can make use of. So this is it for now. Let's connect in the next video, and till then, stay tuned, stay connected. Bye bye.